Alrighty, hello everybody. Number one, I miss you guys. But let's jump right back into it like we never left. So, my contact information, everyone should have this. I've sent it out on the Remind app multiple times. The Remind app, everyone should also have this. If you don't, go ahead and download it. In the next few slides, you will also see the codes if you don't have them. So, ways to contact me. Remind app, my email, whitley.king@rop.com. You can also contact me via phone. I set up a phone number for you guys, which is 602 399 7555. You can call that number and it will come to me at any time. If I do not answer the phone, please understand I will call you back. I might be on the phone with another student. If a video chat is needed, I have multiple different ways that I can do that. And once you contact me, we'll figure out how to get that done. I don't want anybody saying that it's not possible. It's 100% possible, and I am 100% available. Now, there's also the school phone number if you need to get in contact with anyone else. That number is 602 265 2000. Next, when you go to the website, you have Southwest Leadership Academy. And if you look here, you have it to where you can click to download or review your homework. If there is a link that is not working, please let us know so that we can fix it. You have all of your teachers here. I'm right here at the bottom. If you scroll a little bit right past that, you'll see this where it says watch videos of your classes recorded by your teachers, and then you click this button right here and it'll take you to YouTube, and you just go ahead and scroll over and look for your teacher and your class. Any questions? Again, contact, contact, contact. For students that are on Remind app already, this is not for you. For students that are not on there, please make sure that you download it. If you don't have it, do so immediately. When you go to the app, it'll look like this. You can also do the www.remind.com and that should pop up. If it doesn't pop up, let me know. I will help you. Again, there to help. If we look here, the Remind School Communication. So mine says installed because I already have it. This app is compatible with most devices, and if it's not, you're also able to go again to a web browser. So for all of my classes, you guys should all have Remind. You can get this in the App Store for Apple or the Play Store for Android. For period 1, right here, you see One King SLA. This is going to be your class code. Go ahead and sign up or accept the request if you need me to send you a text message so that you can join in. For period 2, 2 King SLA, this is going to be your code, and so on. Period 3, 3 King SLA. Period 4, 4 King SLA. Period 5, 5 King SLA. And period 6, 6 King SLA. I'm going ahead and reading through to be thorough because sometimes, if your phone is cracked, you might not see a part. So let's make sure that we're being accommodating for everybody. So for week 11 and week 12, last week I had a nice amount of kids give me a call. And some people were very, very interested in some of the things that we were going through, which is viruses. And that is very important about the world right now. So, quick thing before you go through the rest of the videos, watch this one first, clearly. Preview the information that I sent home for you. Your package should have the following things. It should have homework 11/12. This homework is going to be accompanied by a website that you guys will see on there. I'll do a video on how to navigate that website. You will also have Formative 11, which you'll use the journal article that should be in your packet. And then you will have Formative 12. Formative 12 is all you. So in Formative 12, you get to decide what you feel is important, what you feel should be done. Go ahead and read through that. If you have any questions at all, or even if you just need help thinking through something or forming your process before you write your stuff down, please give me a call. Again, I am more than willing to help, more than willing to accommodate, whether it is by phone, video chat, whatever needs to be done. Now, You guys know that sometimes I say things 3 times just in case. If you are missing anything, call or message. If you are missing anything, call or message. If you are missing anything, call or message me so that I can get you what you need and that you're not missing out on your work. Now, here, websites for the given work. You have the interactive site, which is going to be for biointeractive. This is going to be the site that I was talking about for your homework, which is week 11 and week 12. This site actually has little bitty pieces that you can actually click on. Each time you click on the different parts and you follow through the directions of your homework, it's going to actually give you directions. Follow each set of directions so that you know what you're looking for. Your journal article. This should have been given in your packet. You should have a printout of this journal article. If you don't have a printout of it, that's okay. One, we can get you a printout, and two, it is available online to where you can view it. So all you have to do is go to that article. You will be able to find it. If you have any questions at all, please let me know. I posted both of these links last week on your Remind app. So again, I'm sending out videos, I'm sending out messages, I might send out videos, I might send out links to your old textbook. And right now you guys have the 2019 version of the Pearson textbook. But again, you might actually want to look at one of the older versions because sometimes there's a little bit more information. Your newer textbook kind of split up the information and made it more focused on what exactly they want you to know. But the older textbook sometimes has a little bit more information. Now, if we're looking here, expectations. Sorry. Expectations, we talked about that. Give me a call. I gave you the things that you need. The contact info. You have your contact info. If you missed it, let me scroll back right quick. That was loud. The contact info, Remind app, email, and a phone number. If you need the video chat, give me a call on this number, and then we'll set up what we need to do, what time, and everything. All right, your packets were mailed home last week. Everybody should have their packets. It was either mailed home or it was taken to your home. So, with that being said, if you don't have your packet, please let someone know. Right now is the time to be responsible and let's go ahead and get through that work. I'm not telling you, hey, you need to have this done in one day. You have 10 minutes to do this. You have 20 minutes to do this. You have 2 days to do this. No, you have a packet and work on it as best you can. And when you have questions, you ask questions. What I ask of you is that you, number one, approach these things positively. I know that it's going to be a little difficult for some people because, hey, it's okay. This is something that you guys have never really had to do. Some of you are already doing the classes online with Ingenuity. However, when you get a big old packet of work, it's like, oh my God, I'm like overwhelmed. Don't be overwhelmed. It's okay. Your teachers are here to help you. And you already know you guys can come to me with any of your work, and I am A-okay to help you with that. Number two, get organized and stay organized. Keep your stuff separate. For period one, keep all of your period one things together. For period two, keep all of those things together. 3, 4, 5, and 6, keep them together. Try to keep them together and keep them in order. If you guys have an assignment book, or we call them a student planner at home, now would be a great time to use that because you're not in class and looking at the board and constantly being reminded by your teachers like, hey, look here, this is what you need to do. Now is a great time, great time to organize yourself with that. Next, establish a routine. Make sure that as you're establishing that routine, you do the same thing each day. When you do the same thing each day, you can create a space for yourself. If you have room, create a space where you can maybe take the time, sit outside or something, and read through your stuff. And then maybe sit down, go through the questions. When you have a question, call and ask, or email, or send a text on remind, and make sure to eliminate distractions. Distractions could easily be sending text messages to your friends. Distractions could easily be, ooh, there we go. Distractions could easily be having the television on. Distractions could also be your siblings, your friends, anyone else. So let's try to eliminate as many distractions as possible while you're trying to do your work and trying to understand your work, because when you have a distraction, it kind of stops your thought process and makes you have to start all over again, which takes way more time, and sometimes it stops you from truly understanding what you're going through. And the last part, reach out for help. Do not be scared, don't be ashamed. Just reach out for help. We are here to help you, and I am just ecstatic about this new wave that we're going into. So let's all learn together. Let's all create a new experience together. And that's the end of video 1.